Hi, it's Katrina, your Phoenix and Scottsdale Realtor from Monday, August 4th. Hey, last Friday you might have seen some exciting information in the news about mortgage rates. So while they didn't dip a lot, they went down 3 basis points. And why did they do that? Well, the BLR, the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, restated their jobs claims. So for May and June, they found that they had overstated the job growth by over 100,000 roles. And then in addition, they restated the entirety of last year. So because of that, the Fed took a look at things and maybe decided the economic data wasn't quite as strong as it had previously been reported. And so they lowered the basis points. Yes, rates are starting to adjust, but so are home prices. And while in Phoenix and Scottsdale it is soft in some parts of the market, it really is an opportunity now for buyers that isn't always going to exist. For the last 10 years, it has been a seller's market. The seller is dominated. And so it's not going to remain a buyer's market forever. And if you're trying to time the market for the perfect or nearly perfect opportunity, it's virtually impossible. But here's what's true. Number one, home ownership protects you from rising rent costs. So an average over the last 5 years, rent has gone up, this is US wide, about 30%, and probably in some pockets even higher than that. Point number two, home ownership, it actually builds wealth. Renters builds equity for somebody else. So while you don't have the responsibility, you're also at the mercy of somebody else. So if you want to build your own wealth and build your own net worth, you need to invest in buying a place that is going to have a fixed payment. So, and I get it, like you might not be able to right this very second, or maybe you can and you just don't realize you might be able to. I work with a few lenders that have different loan products that can help people at different stages of their home purchasing process. Sellers are more negotiable right now, so maybe you can and you just don't realize you might be able to. So let's look at your options and see if the timing is right now that makes sense for your goals. Reach out to me. You can already be a homeowner, and if the rate falls again, you can always refinance.